Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Ghostie bath bomb. He's very vibrant and colorful. I was trying to very gently put him in the tub so he wouldn't flip over. This bath bomb is 4.9 ounces and it costs $6.95. I was able to get the Halloween bath bombs and a few of the Christmas bath bombs that were released a little bit early. I will be doing the rest of the Christmas ones because there are still some to come that have not been released. But this bath bomb was really fun. I knew that the water would turn purple at the end since we have some pink and some blue. And boy, did it smell good. The fragrance notes are lemongrass, and then it says it has lemon and lime oils. Very, very fragrant, very moisturizing. Definitely smelled like lemongrass. I absolutely love the scent of it. And there's a nice little surprise hidden inside. This one also has popping candy. I'm trying to grab a piece from the bottom of the tub now. They do kind of drop to the bottom of the tub, and then you hear it popping and cracking, and it's tons of fun. I still remember the first bath bomb from Lush I had that had popping candy in it, and I was unaware. A lot of times when I buy bath bombs, I'm like, oh, that one's cute, and I just buy it. And when I heard all the cracking, I'm like, what in the world is that? And I immediately went to their website and read about it. I'm like, oh, that's so cool. They have little pop rocks in them. So lots of fun. Here's another piece of it. And the bath bomb did eventually sink and start spinning at the bottom of the tub. And just about all of it was done. The tub looked really cool because you could kind of see it on the outside, the rim of the screen. It was pink, and then it kind of turned purple, and then it was more blue in the middle. So very cool looking. There's like a couple pieces left, so I went ahead and crumbled it. And of course there's a lot of white in there, so it made it look very creamy and milky. And it's super satisfying just to crumble the last little bit of a bath bomb. But here's what the water looked like. And if you guys are interested in seeing more of their Halloween bath bombs or even their Christmas line, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned because more demos will be coming. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.